Tim, we're here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're out here on a nice November day. We are cleaning this concrete. As you can tell, that concrete is really dirty. But this is what I want to show you right now. What we've got here is this concrete's already been cleaned. You see where I haven't cleaned underneath the van, but see how this has this weird effect right here? A few minutes ago, this whole concrete looked that bad. You see it's already starting to change, but what is that? Why is that not coming up? That is not mold or mildew. It is organic, but it is not mold or mildew. So the surface cleaner's not gonna clean it. The pre-treat's not gonna get down to it. Had to get that top layer off to get down to it. But what that is every year, these trees drop leaves. Those leaves turn color. It goes from green to brown, red, orange, yellow, just beautiful colors. See, look, we got a yellowish, we got a reddish color, and what happens is every year this drops onto the concrete like so, and then you drive over it, and it rains, and you step on it, and you see those colors? See that yellow and red? See that dark yellow? If I let that sit on there and dry on there, that's gonna stain. So that's where those stains come from. What I end up having to do is I have to spray it with a post-treat of the same thing as I use as a pre-treat to kill the mold and mildew. I'm gonna essentially bleach those stains out. So I take my handy dandy, I turn it on, and I spray. And put a nice thick coat on those tannins. Now, yeah, I definitely don't want that to stain. Now, I'm going to go clean the front porch, and then we're going to come back and see what this looks like after it's had a few minutes to soak. All right, there we go. We'll be back in a second. And here you go. By the time I cleaned that up there, cleaned it up, come down here, look at that, disappeared that quick. It's no longer here. Boom. That was black and looked bad. That one still needs a little bit more, but everything else, look at that, just gorgeous. And we're gonna finish it up, make it look, the rest of it look like that. That's how you do it. Now, this is essentially a pre and post treat. Now what you can do is if you've got this and you've cleaned your own home or something like that, you can make up a bleach mixture. Go down to Dollar General, get the Dollar General concentrated bleach. It should say it's about 5.5% sodium hypochlorite or bleach. Mix that in a pump-up sprayer with a little bit of laundry detergent for soap to help it stick, and spray that on with a pump-up sprayer. I would probably do a half and half mix on most. That pulls it down to 2.5, between 2.5 and 3% bleach. Soap will make it stick, and this will disappear it every year, make it look good, and keep all those stains off. Luckily, that tree's almost done. We'll be doing that one when all those trees go, because that one is just as bad as this one, same deal. Hackberry trees, pine trees, and a lot of leaves. So we'll be back next month to do that one. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.